Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm only just expressing my opinion. This is for educational purposes only in the house, guys. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So what are we seeing right now? What are we absolutely seeing right now? We're seeing that the markets are pretty much down, down. We still see that the market makers have orders that haven't been filled since the long weekend. So that could put some more downward pressure on the whole crypto markets, and we could be seeing things going as low as $39,000 in the house, guys and gals. So if you think this is the end of the crypto market, it's a huge, huge mistake. Don't make the huge mistake. Don't get out of the game. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys, but I still think there's a lot of upside for Bitcoin, a lot of upside for Ethereum, huge upside for Dogecoin, and it's just getting started. So I'm going to show you some more on-chain data, some more on-chain analysts and news out there that tells me that, you know, the crypto revolution is just starting. And we're not even close to the tops, guys. And these tops are going to be coming in sometime in the summertime. Ooh, yeah. So it's going to be feeling pretty good. We also got some good, positive goodness, crypto news coming out of Australia as well. So we're going to jump into all of that and much, much more. So if you're ready, like I'm ready, let's go down the crypto rabbit hole right now and let's get into the news. Remember, I'm bringing you the tips, the tricks, and the honest news out there. I'm not shilling. I'm not hyping. I'm just telling you like I see it, guys. So if you love that, like I love you guys, don't forget to go down there, be so kind, be so bold, be so beautiful in the house, and smash the likes, boop those likes, subscribe BYB, and don't forget to comment. You're gonna love it. I love it, guys, when you do that. Show some love for the OG. I would really much appreciate it. So right now we're seeing that the fear and greed index in the house is, we're around about 24 in the house. We've come down from 28 yesterday, and that's because we saw that over Easter, we saw that the whole, there was more volatility. We saw that the volumes were down, and there was basically a real lackluster attention on crypto because people are enjoying the holidays. Hopefully, you guys had a good Easter long weekend. Hopefully, you spent time with your families, and hopefully, you guys are kind of feeling fresh and rejuvenated and getting ready to go back to the grind today. If you're watching in America, and if you're watching in Europe, you guys will be waking up and going to the grind soon. So here in Asia, the grind has started already. So let's get it, guys. So we're seeing that the fear and greed is at 24 right now. It is down from where we were yesterday. Not a big deal. Remember, this is a contrarian indicator now. So, smart money is buying the fear. Buy the fear. Absolutely be buying the fear, guys. It's absolutely a huge time to be alive. So just a quickie update of what's been going on last week. We saw last week that stocks sold off again last week with the growth and tech stocks leading the market lower even as markets were closed on Friday. So we saw a big sell-off on tech stocks and high tech and other stocks, and these stocks tend to be a lot more volatile when there is sell-off, and you'll see that often the knuckleheads in Wall Street, they often panic, and you'll see that the tech stocks are usually the first stocks to be sold. Then we're seeing that time is running out, time is running short on corrected declines thesis unless stocks can solidify higher low in the next week or two. So we're seeing that stocks and the broader markets continue to be going down, down. But I think this is really a good perspective from a crypto angle, is that as we see that we're entering in hyperinflation, we're seeing broader markets going down. And at some point, we're going to see crypto uncoupling, and we're going to see that people are going to be moving their money out of traditional markets, out of traditional stocks, and starting to move them into cryptocurrency. And we're seeing that, almost $1.3 billion worth of Bitcoin was taken off Coinbase in the last 24 hours. So we're starting to see that smart money, institutional money, is aping more and more into cryptocurrency, aping more into Bitcoin. And that is because there is a huge hedge against inflation, guys. So inflation data had come out also last week and came in with multi-decades high, reaffirming the Fed's plan to raise interest rates to shrink their balance. So no matter what they do, even if they do shrink the interest, even if they do increase the interest rates and they try to reduce their balance sheet, it's not going to have a real big impact on inflation. We're still going to be seeing inflation going uppity up because there's too many different catalysts out there that makes it impossible just to okay, let's raise interest rates and that's going to fix the economic problems. No way, Jose. We're going to definitely have to do much more. And we got 2024s coming, we've got elections coming soon, so hopefully there'll be some changes there. We're seeing that a hawkish Fed means higher volatility. We saw the effects last week. More hawkishness, less confidence in the market. Cryptocurrency was down, broader markets were down. So if you think this is the time to exit crypto, you're making a huge mistake out there. You're making a huge mistake, guys. So don't make that mistake, guys. Absolutely don't make that mistake. It would be really bad in the house, guys. So we're also seeing from last week some other stuff that's coming in from last week. This week in crypto, Musk wants to buy Twitter. We all know that. We know that the war in Ukraine is still going on, and Ethereum 2.0 shadow fork is ongoing. But there being some delays for the Ethereum 2.0 merge. It looks like we could be seeing end of June, July before that's coming out. And it has, the testing is going okay. But you guys have to understand that they just want to be careful. They want to make sure everything is working. So, the biggest news last week was, I guess, the Elon Musk buying Twitter. And we're seeing that, we haven't been hearing too much right now. We're seeing that the, shareholders of Twitter, they're taking this whole poison pill strategy, want to dilute their liquidity and push the prices down. And, let's see if Elon Musk can actually buy Twitter. I hope he can, because that's going to be huge for Dogecoin. It's going to be huge for the community. And we're going to have a real platform out there. And we really need to have a platform that's not this whole cancel culture kind of stuff that's coming out there. Looks like Aussie convenience stores Giant allows cryptocurrency payments across its 170 outlets. So this is pretty bullish. This is some really goodness for cryptocurrency. So, Giant is kind of like a convenience store and a supermarket. We also have Giant in Asia, like in Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. So hopefully they also start accepting crypto, not only in Australia, but also globally in Asia, wherever they have the store. So that could be pretty good news. So let's take a look at the on-chain flow right now. We're seeing that the net flow of Bitcoin onto exchanges has gone up by 36 million. 36 million is kind of nothing, right? So there were some profit takings. There was a little bit of panic selling over the weekend because we saw Bitcoin price drop. We saw Ethereum on-chain. We saw more Ethereum leaving exchanges. So that is bullish for Ethereum. And we saw that more Tether was also leaving exchanges, about 30 million. So people who sold their Bitcoin did take out their profits, guys, did actually take out their profits. So that is, that's normal, right? It's normal, right? It's not normal people taking profits. But it's a huge mistake if you guys absolutely think, that this is the time to exit crypto, guys. Definitely don't do that. So Elon Musk, he tweeted this out, Happy Easter, and he had his dog, Floki out there. So, so when that came out, we did see Dogecoin pop up a little bit. We also did see Floki Inu, cryptocurrency price also go up. So that's kind of interesting. But anyways, Elon Musk, is this him supporting the Doge, or is this just him, showing off his dog? Ruff. So let's see, guys. But it's Shiba Inu, so it's a Doge. Whatever. So just in 1.2 million in Bitcoin has flowed out of Coinbase this weekend. So that means that more institutions and more whales are buying Bitcoin like crazy, guys, and they're taking off exchanges. So good morning, whales out there. Good morning, whales. We're still waiting for the retail investors to FOMO in. We haven't really seen any FOMO rockets right now because when the price starts to go up, then we're going to see people absolutely jumping into crypto, and we're going to see the FOMO intensify, and that will take prices higher and higher. And right now from TechDev, we're seeing the inflection in the 90-day rate of change of Bitcoin, and plus a 1-year hollow rate. And we're seeing that it's at an all-time high right now. And every time that this has occurred in the last 5 times, we can see that Bitcoin saw new lows. So we're seeing it right now. We're seeing this inflection rate happen right now. So this means that I believe that 40,000, around 39,000 to 40,000 is the low, is the bottom, and we're going to be going uppity up, guys, and that is going to be huge in the house, guys. So I love it, you love it. Let's get it, guys. So other stuff that coming in, this is from Matthew Hayward, a bear market, bull market for Bitcoin. It's interesting to note that the correction from 69,000 to 33K took 75 days. It took 75 days from November to January 24th. Since the 33K, Bitcoin has trended directionally up for 83 days. So we're seeing that since the end of January, we're seeing that the direction of Bitcoin for the last 83 days has been going up, guys. We're painting, higher lows. So we're seeing some positivity. Sure, we're seeing some consolidation. We're seeing some range boundness. I know it's really irritating and it's driving everybody insane in the membrane, but you know, overall, we're still looking good, guys, so don't be panicking. We're also seeing this same vibes BTC. So, you know, we saw this last year when BTC had this descending triangle, and then looked like it was going in a downward pattern. And then we had to break out the upside. And we're seeing the same thing happening right now, ladies and gentlemen. So there's just more and more evidence out there that things are going uppity up. So the net market participation growth, so we can see that the amount of people aping into crypto, aping into Bitcoin is growing, and adoption is going up like crazy. So the adoption for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is very similar to the internet dot-com bubble in the 1990s. And we're going to see some explosive adoption. And as more and more people ape into crypto, we're going to see things going up, guys. So let's take a look at the heat map in house. So it's pretty red out there. It is annoyingly red. It's annoyingly red out there. So the OG's got to get his sunglasses on so my eyes don't burn. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is down at 39,764. We're seeing that too bad Ethereum has slipped below $3,000, so that is not pretty good. So we're seeing a lot of redness, but there's still a lot of goodness out there. There's absolutely a lot of goodness out there. Let's look at the price of Doge right now. So right now Dogecoin is at 14 cents, exactly on our support line. So hopefully Doge will maintain that level and not slip any further. But that also depends on Bitcoin price, guys and gals. So let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin has given up some of its gains yesterday, and we can see here that Bitcoin dropped almost, let's just measure that from the top to bottom. So yesterday we can see that Bitcoin dropped almost 2%, but we have gained back a little bit right now, so that is not too bad. And we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is trading at 39,807. So we really need Bitcoin to get back above $40,000. That is going to be huge. So on the weekly time frame right now, we're seeing that so far this week we're painting a green candle. Last week we did have Bitcoin go as low as 39,245, and right now we're at 39,802. So hopefully we can get a green candle that week, because we've had actually 1, 2, 3 candles that have been green, and that is not positive. But hopefully this week will be the turnaround week, and we'll start to see some positive movement to the upside. So I'm pretty pumped. I'm pretty psyched about that. And we're seeing Ethereum right now is below our $3,000 level, and that is at 2,989. So that is good in the house, guys. We're also seeing ADA right now is at 92 cents. And, you know, I believe it's probably going to drop to about 84, 85 cents. And if it does go down to this low, this is going to be a good pickup for the OG. Right now, we're also seeing that Phantom is at $1.12. So that is not too good. And our next support level for Phantom is at $1, guys. So hopefully we don't go down to $1. If it does go to $1, I'm going to be loading up like a madman out there. We're seeing Solana as well. It's doing pretty good. It's still holding its $100 support level. So that is pretty good. We are holding. So Solana is looking pretty peachy keen. Let's take a look at the liquid. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house right now. So we're seeing that the leverage apes, they're starting to pick up right now. It's 109 million. We're seeing 41,000 traders have been liquidated in the house, and we're seeing that right now in the last 24 hours. We're seeing a lot of shorts. So it's kind of just weird that we're seeing almost 60% shorts, 40% longs. And if we take a look at the 4 hour, we can see the longs are building up. That is why Bitcoin price is going down, down. So expect that. Remember, every Thursday is typically a reversal. So if we're down, we're going to reverse the upside. If we're up, we're going to reverse the downside. So typically Thursdays are the big reversal day for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And right now we're seeing that the market makers are going to start to fill the orders that weren't filled over the Easter weekend. So there's going to be some volatility, and there's going to be some interesting price action. And, you know, we could be ranging between 2 and 5% up and down depending on how things are going, guys. So let's take a look at total market cap in the house. So right now we're seeing the total market cap is down from my last video. Last video was 1.92 trillion, and right now we're at 1.89 trillion. And we're seeing right now that the total volume is 38.71 billion. So the volume is still light. A lot of people are still enjoying their Easter weekend, guys, because it's Easter Sunday still in America. It's Easter Monday in America. It's Easter Monday in Europe and Asia right now. So things are slowly getting back to normal. We're seeing Bitcoin dollars is really much unchanged in the house. We're seeing right now that Bitcoin is down almost 1.5%. We're seeing Ethereum is down just over 2% below $3,000. We're seeing, luckily, a BNB is above $400. That's down 2%. We're seeing Solana is at $100 at the support level. So hopefully this will maintain, and we can get a reversal and see some green coming back for Solana, and that's down 1.24%. We're seeing ADA is down to almost 3%. We're seeing Luna is down 3%, and we're seeing Avalanche is down as well. And Doge is also down 2.47%. So overall, the markets are looking pretty crappy right now. It's a big turd out there. So from that perspective, guys, that's going to bring this to an end. Please go and follow me on my Twitter. Don't forget to do me a favor, show some love to the algorithm and smash the likes. subscribe, YB, comment. I would really appreciate it, guys. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to go down there and check out the links. Remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. Check the links, get the links, guys. Get it, and become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee, support the channel. Go down there, check out all the links, guys. And don't forget to get all the merch, guys. Get the merch, gear up in the OG gear, get the mug, get the cap. We got t-shirts, we got hoodies. Show some love, show some support, guys. So this is just a quick video, a quick video. Our next video is coming at 8 p.m. Bangkok time. So stay tuned for that. Absolutely stay tuned for that. You know you want it, I want it. So guys, there's nothing really big happening news-wise. It's still, people are still waking up, getting back to normalcy. So I think this week it should be a huge cryptocurrency week. So let's hopefully that things will materialize and we'll start moving on the upside. So I expect some range boundness between 39,000 and 41,000, probably in that range for the most of the week. So let's see how it goes. So God bless you. Remember, crypto is a jungle. It's a zero-sum game out there. So if you're winning, somebody's losing. So don't make a huge mistake. This is absolutely not the time to be panic selling. Hold, guys. I love it. You love it. I'll see you next one. Woo!